y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I've been on some little TikTok recipes, and this is one. TikTok. This is one that's going around. I've seen it on the Facebook and everything, and I said I'm gonna try this. And it's onion chips. Okay, this is gonna be this is keto friendly, and it's just, they say 2 ingredients, but with the oil and the seasoning, of course, there's more. So I'm not going down that little rabbit hole saying just two ingredients. But it is really simple, and you just need some Parmesan cheese and some sliced onions. Now, I will say, they say use a mandolin, slice your onions up so they're all super thin. Honey, I done got the big knife out, been chopping. I ain't good at chopping. I don't claim to be. So we'll see how it goes. But
she's very good at chopping, y'all. She hadn't chopped her finger off yet. She's been in the kitchen for many years, and her fingers are all still
I still
attached.
have all my digits.
That's right.
But
so I'm gonna say she's good at chopping.
I'm just good at avoiding fingers.
Well, okay, that's good enough for me. As much as you chop,
that's all.
That's a good. Hey, you know.
Yeah.
It ain't got to be pretty.
No, it doesn't. So I'm going to start by spreading this. Now I do have a big old pan here, so we might not do the whole thing just all over whatever. But now this is supposed to be like crispy chips, and you know, when you're on diets and stuff, you really. I know when we were on keto, did you not miss chips?
I missed everything.
And I missed it all.
Well, all you do just try to trick your brain on that thing. In my opinion, I just, you know.
But it's all right.
And it works. The diet works. If you can stick to it, it works. It definitely works. I would say. And it's not like, it's not hard. It's not hard. No. I don't think it's a hard diet. I think you can have a lot of stuff.
You really can. And I took stuff and changed it up, and we had all kinds of stuff.
She was very creative on keto. I will say she had a whole cookbook of stuff, y'all.
I did. I made my own little cookbook.
We had a little playlist for when we was doing it. And all about 1 month of it that we were on it, that we made it.
Yeah,
and,
we haven't had a lot of videos here.
No, we did not. We did not last very long on the keto, but
no.
You know, it's good to put out some healthy stuff sometimes, y'all. And
it is. And this is a whole lot healthier than, say, onion rings. And this is what this recipe is supposed to taste like. You know, your good old fried onion rings, honey.
Nice.
We love us some onion rings.
Yes, we do.
So, honey, we is all about trying this. So, I've just spread out some Parmesan. I had some shredded Parmesan. I had some Walmart Parmesan. And I've got my little onions cut pretty thin. This is about what you want. Now, they do say, see how thin that is? They do say that the thicker they are, they don't cook as well, so they're kind of soggy. So we don't want soggy.
Chips.
We want some crunch.
We want crunch, yeah.
And now some of these might be a little thicker than the others because I was not exactly uniform in cutting them. But we're just going to layer these right here. Get them all done up. This is super simple. I've got my oven preheated to 400. And we're just going to cook these. Now look, this is all wonky donkey right there. Oh, let's just do this. You're just going to cook them for, it says 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to be keeping my little eye on them so they don't cook too fast. But let me spread these out. Boom, boom. Maybe my prettier onions was on the bottom. I started cutting a smaller.
They ain't got to be perfectly pretty now. As long as they're good, y'all.
Yeah, I started cutting a different onion, and I was like, well, this is just sweet onion here, y'all. I'm sure some big old Vidalias.
Will do you right.
They hit different. Them big Vidalias, honey, they hit different. They do. We love them, don't we?
My favorite.
Look at that big ring there. That's probably going to be too thick. But honey, I'll eat it. I love me some onion. right. And I will not be wasting that. We'll be putting it in something else too.
We've been eating a lot of salad, so it'll go good in the
All
salad.
kind of
we like red
stuff.
onion in the salad more than.
Yeah, we do. We do red onions
But we
in
will.
salad.
They will. I'm sure
We'll
they'll
do something,
we love
honey.
Some onions. They ain't gonna go to waste.
All right, let's put this big fat fella on the end right there. Let's change this little one out. Put him there.
That's pretty.
All right, he's missing a whole middle. Bless his heart. Just bless. Just bless.
There you go.
Look at there.
Yeah, like putting a puzzle.
Like a puzzle.
Yeah.
This one, oh, bless
See if
him.
you can put the puzzle together.
Bless him. Here we go. I just took a little off. All right. Now, the easy little part of dressing him up just a little bit. We're just going to, they showed brushing on some olive oil, but y'all know I got this little, I've showed y'all this before, my little Flare Sol Olivia. I love this thing. My little olive oil sprayer, and I'm just going to spray mine.
I'll link it in the description.
It's really
Anybody's
cool.
Interested, it's,
Yeah,
it's on Amazon.
it is.
And they sent it to us to
They
do a
did.
little review on, and it's pretty good. We
It
use it a lot.
is. I really like it, or else I wouldn't have said nothing.
That's right.
But otherwise, if you don't, you can just brush it on. Now, you just season it however you want to. Now, I'm going to use some Jane's Crazy salt. This has just got salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder in it. We're just going to give it a little what's up, a little something here. And everybody has showed them putting paprika on it. So, I'm going to just do as they do here. Do a little paprika. And I thought maybe some Danos or something like that would be good on it. I've got the seasoning and just the regular original. So let's see. This smells kind of like pizza, the seasoning one. Just give it a little something there. What the heck? We'll just go with both of them. All right. That's all I'm doing. And hopefully this is going to come out of this pan. Now, they say to use some parchment paper. And, but anyway, I've had a few things stick to my parchment paper. I think I need some new ones. I'm just going to try it on this little this sheet pan and see how it is. So I'll come back in about 17, 18 minutes and see what it's looking like. All right, y'all, it's out of the oven. I'm so excited for this. I just told Russell, so this is so exciting. Now, I have let it sit for like 10 minutes. Did not need parchment paper. Hallelujah. Y'all, look at this. Look at that. Watch it fall apart.
Oh,
look at that.
Oh,
look at that.
Oh.
So, we are going to give this little thing a taste. And my phone's going off. And tell you if it's worth the hype. All this hype. Everybody says it's so good. So, we are about to test it and see. Tasting time. I'm so excited I'm going to taste too.
Hey, look at here.
Wait, listen.
Double taste testing.
I have not tasted it. I have not. So
they smell good, y'all.
They do. And they look crispy. They're supposed to be like crunch, like a chip. So let's see if that's the case.
I can tell you it feels like a chip.
It does. And I just made us up a quick little dip of ranch and some hot sauce.
It looks good.
All right. Let's see.
Let's see. Here we go.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
They're crispy. Oh, this would have been heaven on keto. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
This would have been a game changer.
Good snack.
So good. I got all kinds of stuff running through my head. I'm like,
It's a very good snack.
You could have made a sandwich with this.
I know y'all see I'm double dipping, but I'm going to the backside.
And it's us. It don't matter.
Yeah.
It's our sauce.
I think we done.
This would be good. This would be good as a pizza crust for keto. Now, it'll be good.
Huh.
Good stuff, y'all. This is really good.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm. So, was it worth the hype?
I'm gonna say yeah.
I believe it is.
I'm gonna say yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
It is good. I'm just chewing and eating on.
We both are. Both got our mouths full.
Crispy,
Crunching.
crunchy.
Annoying y'all with our crunching.
Yeah. Sorry. I can't even talk. I'm a mouthful.
Fantastic. Really good. Low carb people, keto people.
Yes.
I don't know how many of y'all watch our channel, but we do have a playlist of that kind of stuff.
We do have a few little keto recipes.
Yeah, we do. That is fantastic. Really good.
It really is. And the onion is still kind of soft and almost buttery, but there's no butter on it.
It's got good flavor.
And then you got that crispy Parmesan on the outside. It is delicious.
Great texture. Yeah.
It is. So this is a winner.
That's a hit. That's a TikTok hit right there.
Yes. So I see why it's going viral.
Yeah. Y'all make ours go viral. There you
y'all,
go.
yeah, on the YouTube.
There you go.
Anyway,
yeah, we would say that this is a winner. Yeah.
Absolutely
Thumbs up
it
here.
is. Thumbs up, yes.
Yeah.
So it's worth the hype. Give it a try.
Yeah.
If you try it, let me know.
Yeah, you ain't got to be on keto to try it, y'all. It's very good. If you're a fan of onion rings, that is a good, healthier version of your onion rings.
Even if you're watching your weight,
this
is a whole lot better than fried onion rings.
Yes.
And it does have the consistency.
It does. It has a texture of onion ring.
And, fried onion
it's
rings.
actually crispier. It's like a chip. It really is. Well,
it's good stuff, y'all. If you try it, do let us know.
I was thinking it was going to make a mess in that pan, but it didn't. It came right up.
Look, y'all. Right up out the pan.
The whole sheet came up.
Well, he did take a picture of me holding it up. But
it
come right out.
That's good.
So if you have a baking sheet, you don't need that parchment paper.
Yeah,
but
work
if you
good.
don't, I guess parchment paper is the way to go. But anyway, y'all,
Give it a try.
Didn't take but a few minutes either.
Yeah.
I did cook it for 17 minutes, and I went ahead and took it out, and they said let it just rest for about 10 minutes. So that's what I did. Turned out good. So y'all give it a try.
Yeah, let us know if you do in the comments.
Yeah. Anyway, we thank y'all for watching, hanging out with us today. And until next time.
Peace!